Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon assured the public that finishing pending projects is #1 concern of the DPWH. According to Dizon, expect projects sitting idle such as classrooms, health centers, and roads to be taken off the hit list. Our J.M. Thompson has more in this report.
Finish the unfinished. That is the commitment made by the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon, alongside Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto, during their inspection of a slope protection project earlier today. Secretary Dizon conducted a thorough inspection of the project site, specifically addressing areas where the foundation appeared to be softening due to the river water beneath the slope. An estimated budget of over 70 million pesos has been allocated for Package 20 of this slope protection project, which is targeted for completion this May. Dizon noted that additional materials will be integrated into the project's foundation to ensure its structural integrity. The slope protection project is expected to provide significant relief to Pasig residents by preventing flooding in residential areas near Barangay San Jose. This initiative is a key component of the DPWH broader flood control program. While the project's progress has faced past interruptions due to budget constraints, the Secretary highlighted that coordination between the local government and managing departments has significantly improved. According to Secretary Dizon, completing the project in Pasig City is a top priority to prevent further issues during the upcoming rainy season.
So yun ang pipilitin nating pondohan ng todo na. No? So kung kayang tapusin niya ng 1 taon, popondohan na natin ng 1 taon. No? Para hindi na yung patsi-patsi.
The Secretary added that President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has issued a directive to systematically complete all pending infrastructure projects.
Sabi ni Presidente, unang-una, kailangan ng close coordination. Pangalawa, ang priority natin ngayon, finish the unfinished. So kanina sinabi ko sa kaya mayor, sa ibang mayors ng NCR, listan nyo na po yung mga projects na matagal nang nakatenga dito, mga classroom, mga health center, mga multipurpose buildings, mga kalye, lahat yan, mga flood control, ilista na, yun ang uunahin.
Siyempre malaking bagay na secretary pa nga mismo yung tumitingin, di ba? And he's working to ensure that the projects are done completely and up to standard. Dati, magugulat na lang kami, may mga ginagawa na minsan kahit tanungin namin yung district, sasabihin ng district sa amin, di rin nila alam. May mga ganong cases noon. So at least ngayon, mas maganda yung coordination nila internally at pati sa amin.
J.M. Thompson from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.